15-pound brisket at the bottom. Rack of beef ribs. Both have been wet aging for a few weeks. Let's see, and here we got a couple salmon breasts, or a couple salmon fillets, a couple turkey breasts, some catfish we'll bread in the air fryer. A nice big tri-tip. This is one of my favorite cuts to cook right now. Let's see, we got a deer roast. All this is wet aging. Elk loin from the last elk I shot. And then 3 chuck roasts. It's another one of my favorite things to cook right now. And I got a couple of New York strips up top, and then 6 half-pound burgers we'll probably make Sunday night. This is Daddy's Fridge.